Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News. Today is September the 27th, 2020, and this is a video about NEO. Can we see this particular market continue to go higher in NEO? You guys can already tell that this market in NEO have seen substantial movement higher in price. Can it continue? Well, we're going to talk about that today on this video. Now, before I do, let me plug you all into this particular platform. You guys appreciate our content. Make sure you hit the like button, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. It's that simple. And then on top of that, if you want to see all of our other information in the stock market and cryptocurrencies and commodities, follow us on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. And you can also join us on our own website, HueFinancial.com. It is free. All you have to do is come in and sign up, and you'll see all of our other content there as well. So, NEO. You guys can see on this chart that the last time we did our video on NEO was on August the 11th, and we have shown you our expectations into the market in NEO, right? So right there, August the 10th, we expected the market in NEO to go lower. Initially, the market in NEO have done just that, but you can see that the trap came and nested support right there around $13. I'm not sure whether or not we had TP at $13 or at 12. I'm quite sure we maybe had it around 13. So 8.37% right there. Okay. Now let's say you didn't grab that out following, August the 11th, 12th, 13th, or ultimately on the 14th of August, you didn't grab that 8% out the market. You're still into the market right now. Will be down about 29% following the forecast that was had on August the 10th, August the 11th. So that is done. That is over. We need to talk about, is NEO stock a buy here? Now you might want to wait, and we're going to show you why. All right. So obviously the trend in NEO, I'm just going to extend it. It's still in an uptrend. I mean, this is a very healthy uptrend into the market in NEO. But the market is trading at $18.32. Is this the location to buy the market in NEO, or is this the location to where you want to buy? So we'll have to look at the market on multiple time frames in NEO to make that determination, to see what the trap has in store for this market. Weekly time frame in NEO, you guys can tell market has seen a lot of volatility. I mean, specifically on the weeks of August the 24th and then again on August the 31st, the week of. It's been a lot of volatility, and the market really hasn't moved. I mean, in 5 consecutive weeks, the market in NEO has just been trading at $17 all the way up there towards 20. Why is that? Ask yourself that question. Why is the market only consolidating in 5 consecutive weeks? 25 trading days. The market has just been bouncing in between $17 and $20 in NEO. What is happening? Well, let's just say this. The market, in relation to what we have historically on this chart, is trading at all-time highs or in that vicinity. So what is actually going on in the market in NEO? The market is selling. The trap is here around $17 to $20 selling the market. And the longer the consolidational trading, the consecutiveness of the market trading within this range lets you know how much he has to offload. And he's been doing it for 5 consecutive weeks. The monthly time frame in NEO gives you the same type of depiction. We're trading at all-time highs. Now, why would one want to buy the market at all-time highs? There's only one reason. You're expecting to see the market go higher in the future, right? But looking at this monthly time frame, I don't see any bullishness right now in the market in NEO. So if anything, the best thing that we're going to get into the market in NEO is just consolidational trading like we've seen the last 5 weeks. just continue to see the market bounce to and fro between $17 and $20. That's the best we're getting right now from these price charts. Now, real quick, 4-hour chart, you guys can see off the bat, what is the market trend? We're seeing the market making lower highs. The market is ever so slightly dipping lower and lower and lower in price. We're losing the value, i.e. the demand to see higher price in NEO. But that's not necessarily a bad thing. Like I told you, can the market hug support here? This is the area that we'll need to pay attention to see whether or not strength continues to come into the market in NEO. Because if so, the long-term trend is going to be higher price. And this will be the greatest entry point to come into the market to see the market in NEO go higher. It's that simple. So we're not seeing that just yet. I do see some other hints that the trap came in and propped up the market right there. He came into the market and propped it because we did not fall below $17. That's the support area. Anything close to that $17 area would be a great entry point, only under the presumption that we'll see movement higher. That's it. So you could definitely play this depending on your time frame in the market for NEO. Right? The market is holding $17. We're at $18.30 right now. But the exit is going to be crucial. You have to know when to get out the market. And this is the reason. Because the market in NEO is just looking to consolidate. So this is your opportunity to see what the market in NEO is going to do. So in this particular forecast, this is what we're going to do in the market in NEO. We're not going to put in a forecast. It's too cloudy. There's too much convolution going on between how the trap feels. So we have to wait just a little while longer to see if that strength is going to continue to be maintained at $17. That's it. Every opportunity, you don't need to go to the store and shop. And this is the market. This is the retail store right here. And right now, this is not the opportunity to go in and shop. We need to wait. And we need to pay attention to the market in NEO this week to see if the weakness is going to continue to be played out. And let him put his money on the line. Let the trap go in and make this cloudiness a clear day, because it's not here right now. So we're not going to put in a forecast, but as always, you guys can dialogue with us with a comment and tell us what you think. What do you think about the market in NEO? Are we going to go higher or lower? Because from our perspective, we're just seeing this consolidational trading continue just a little while longer, right between $17 and $20. And you need to watch it every day to see how the market reacts, because this is going to be one day to where you'll get a glaring indication as to what the trap is going to do. And it's not being revealed right now. So you tell us, give us your comment, let us know. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and we'll talk again on our next video.